if we talk about the next topic of the ground to ground projectile motion, so we are having time of the upward motion. Means what is the time required of the upward motion? What means upward motion which is y direction? Okay, so upward motion is, or you can say that identically same as a downward motion. Okay, so for the time of upward motion, which means in the y direction, so as you guys all know that final velocity of the y was is equal to 0, just because of the, you can say that, negative gravity. Okay, if we talk about the initial, so that was is equal to the sine theta. As you guys all know that we were throwing a ball into the thread, so here the y was is equal to the v sine theta, as well as here if we talk about the, so the v x is equal to u cos theta. So if we talk about the, we are talking about the y, so here we have considered y as a v sine theta. Okay, so that is the initial, if we talk about the gravity, so as you guys all know that because of the, here the ay we have considered as a minus gravity because of the upward motion, so that is considered as a minus gravity just because of the maximum height. So this was about the, so we have to find the time. So we are, as you guys all know, we are having equation that for a time, that is a vf is equal to vi plus at. Okay, so we have considered final velocity as a vy, so vy is equal to the, here we have considered vi as a vy, vi as a vy, and final as a vy. Okay, so vy plus, here you can say that we are having acceleration as a ay, so we have considered ay t, so we can write here that that the, sorry, uy, you can, we have considered uy is equal to the vy minus, you can say that the minus just because of the minus gravity sign. As you guys all know, we are having the ay is equal to minus g, so we can write it ay is equal to minus g upon t. So here you can see that vy we have uy we have considered as the 0, so we can write here 0 is equal to the we have considered that is the sine theta, so we can write here sine theta, initial velocity as a sine theta. Okay, so here you can see that that is the 0 is equal to sine theta minus g. Okay, so you can, it is positive here, it will move here, that will get it is negative here, it will move here, that will get as a positive. So we can write it as gt is equal to the v sine theta. Okay, so we have considered as a, we have to find the time, so here you can, it is getting divide, will move here, so that is equal to time is equal to the, here it is getting multiplied, it will get divide downward, so it will consider v sine theta. Or you can write here that as we have as you guys all know, v sine theta is equal to vy, so you can also write here that the t is equal to vy upon g. So this is we have considered time for upward motion. Okay, in the next video we'll discuss about the maximum height. Okay, maximum height of the, you can see that the upward motion.